How to enable night light in Windows 11. Constant exposure to blue light can disrupt your sleep. By enabling night light, the system replaces blue light with warmer colors during your preferred time, reducing eye strain and help you sleep better. Let's click on Start and open Settings. Go to System and select Display. Find Night Light here and turn it on. You can also adjust the strength or schedule the night light time. The default setting is to activate between sunset and sunrise, but you can also manually customize the hours to get a seamless transition between daytime and nighttime use, reducing visual disturbances. Next time you want to enable the night light function, just access the shortcut conveniently located on the system bar. Find Night Light and switch it to On. With the easy steps above, you will enhance your visual comfort, improve your sleep patterns, and optimize your overall computer usage experience. Feel free to subscribe to our ASUS support channel, like the video, and share your comments. We're happy to provide you with more useful information.